Say, how many times do you unlock your cell phone screen? You don't know? 50? 100? 200 times? Well, what if I tell you that every time you unlock your cell phone, you make some cash? How? Stick around and I'll show you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Affiliates Dan. This is Danish. Assalamu alaikum. And before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my video. And for those of you who would like to become an online entrepreneur, live a life of online mogul, a person who makes at least $500 to $600 a week, that's minimum I'm talking about, then you ought to look at the description of this video and click the very first link, my #1 recommendation for making money online. Alright, then we have that out of the way, so let's talk about the video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you, well, not exactly teach you, but I'm going to show you an app which will help you make money by merely unlocking the screen of your cell phone. That's simple. All you gotta do, install the app and unlock your cell phone and make some bucks. Which app am I talking about? Well, SlideJoy. Yes. Just go to the app store. What do you call that? Google Play. Yeah, I always forget the name. Go to Google Play, and yes, you don't see the Apple Store logo over here because at the moment they're only available on Google Play, but very soon, as per the news and their blog, they are trying for a version which will also be released on Apple Store. But when, I couldn't find the date. But they are working on it, that's for sure. So, what is SlideJoy? It's lock screen rewards. Every time you check your Android phone, you will see a card with a news story or promotion on your lock screen, similar to these images over here. You can either purchase these promotions and get awesome discounts, or simply unlock the screen and go to your desktop or your screen, the main screen of your cell phone. Every time you do that, you earn in a certain amount, which is in a currency called carrots. Yes, not carrots. Carrots. How do you measure the diamond? I don't measure it, but it's related to that kind of carrot, not the Bugs Bunny carrots. Okay, so and you encash those, you redeem those carrots through PayPal. Yes, you redeem them through PayPal, and well, that's good as cash. Or you can use them to some other stuff like well, let's just go over into about us. So how about FAQ? Frequently asked questions, and over here you'll no. Frequently asked questions, please. And how do I make the most money? No, this is not my earnings balance. Yeah, so my cards are gone. No. How do I redeem my cards? This is the part. Okay. Besides PayPal, you can do some other stuff. You know, just like join your I just read. Yes, you get gift cards from Amazon and Netflix, maybe. I'm sure about Amazon, but I don't know, some other stuff as well, Walmart or something, Audibles. And if you don't want that, you can always redeem it as cash and transfer it to your PayPal account, and it's good as cash. Please note that redemption options can vary by location, and it's updated on 18th of every month. And carrots, see, not carrots, carrots. And what else do we need to know? So far the reviews are good, but it's not available in every country. That's what I have figured out so far, but I'm unable to find out which countries are not eligible for this app. I'm pretty sure Pakistan and India are at the moment. The South Asian countries are not exactly on the list, but I can't say that for sure unless I try to download it. So we'll see that when I try to download it. But and that's that one thing is for sure. This is not for every country, so it's probably is going to work on Tier 1 countries like USA, UK, Canada, maybe Australia, and for other countries we are not very sure about the other countries. We can look into other questions. How do I make the most money? Okay. And guys, one more thing, you don't just overdo it. I mean, like if you normally unlock your cell phone screen like, I don't know, 150 times a day, don't go bananas on it and like keep on unlocking it and trying to reach 1,000 unlocks. No, don't do that. They are going to catch up on that. They will figure out you are trying to, screw the system or whatever. So please, if you don't want your account to be banned, it's best that you keep it natural. And besides, this is not something that is going to replace your daily wages. No, it's not going to replace your job, your day job. You got to keep your day job. This is the side stuff. This is something something extra by the end of the month. So just if you want to go full time online and make a real legit business, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, just check out the link in my description, in the description of this video, the very first link, the #1 recommendation, and just click that button and take the leap of faith, because I'm doing pretty good. I don't even need a massive social media following to get paid for my business. I mean, all I gotta do is just market it, and I'm doing very, very well. Trust me, guys. So you're gonna be very gratified when you go through the whole process. Just click the link. I shouldn't be dictating you over this. Just go over there, click the link, make your own decision. But you will not regret it, that's for sure. So guys, just go over to Google Play Store, download SlideJoy, and just start banging out some carrots. Alright, well, that's it for today. Have a lovely week. Take care. Bye-bye.